Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on. Open control panel and check it right here and enable if it's disabled. Now, your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically, but there is the problem on the iPhone that we need to do this manually after we turn on the Bluetooth. So, on your iPhone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here tap at your headphones. And now it reconnected. But you can also try to do this on your Android device, because sometimes it happened with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically. So enter to the Bluetooth or connected devices and tap at your headphones. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, we need to turn off these headphones. At the bottom of the right headphone we have all controls. Between volume control we have multifunctional button. Press and hold this button to turn off your headphones. Now your headphones are disconnected, and then press and hold again to turn on them. And your headphones reconnect to your phone automatically. But as I said, there sometimes happens that you don't want to reconnect automatically, so try to also go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your headphones here. Now, check if the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset, firstly, you need to connect your headphones to the power. At the top of your right headphone, we have the plug with the lightning bolt. Open it, and right here we have USB-C port. So, you have few options. You can or use an adapter and USB-C cable to connect it to the power. Also, you can use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone, or USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it from, let's say, your PC. Now let me connect it to the power. If you see the red LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. And that's what we need. Then you need to press and hold multifunctional button until the LED light blinked white and red. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and we need to wait 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that you can remove charging cable, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else, it depends of Android phone, on all phone. And forget device, because if I'm trying to reconnect them without unpair them, now we need to turn on them also. So press and hold power button. Here we go, and now the iPhone asks me to remove them. So let's do this. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button right here in the Bluetooth, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list, you need to tap on them. We reconnect them with the phone. If you want to reconnect them with the app, you need to open the application, tap at your headphones, and wait just a bit. And we did it. Now, check. If the factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is once you reset Bluetooth settings, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset the settings at the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. So on your iPhone, go to the settings, And then we should go to this to the general settings. So maybe you need to scroll down, click at the general line, then scroll down again, and at the bottom right here we have transfer reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click reset. In this window you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So tap on it, write your password, and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the System. So scroll down, click at the System. Right here, at the bottom, at least on stock Android, at the bottom, we have Reset Options. So you need to scroll down, tap at the Reset Options line, then select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!